Hello and welcome to a new video where we show some do-it-yourself paper craft works. We start with a paper grab and we have made them from semicircles cut out of paper of different colors. This is a honeybee. Now we are joining two pieces of paper fan and then we are adding eyes and its long ears. This is a circle and then on that we are attaching some pieces and they are the fins of the fish. Now we can add some more semicircular papers. Then there is the eye. We have a beautiful fish here. We take a paper cup and we have some circular paper with different colors. That is red and black. Now we attach eyes and the nose and mustache of mouse. We have a mouse. Now we are making a turtle and we have some circular and semicircular pieces attached together. Then we paste some black circles and semicircular pieces and there are also eye. Now we go to our next item. Here we have some rectangular paper and we join them like a chain and we have 20 to 30 pieces. Then at the end we attach a face of a worm. Wow! An egg or maybe a chick hatching from an egg. That is what we are making now. We have a broken egg made out of paper. Then we have the hen or the chick. And this is a frog. We have a circle. Then we draw some leaf-like design. Then we make a spring out of paper, then we paste it on the ground. Then we take a semicircular piece and attach eyes and face. Wow! Doing, doing, our frog ready. Now let us make cat. So we have the leg of the cat. Now we are making the head. So we have attached to eyes and there are some triangular ears. There should be a long tail and finally we can draw some spots on the body of the cat. This cat is a blue cat and a pretty cat. And finally we can make a butterfly. For that, please carefully follow what we are showing in this video. Okay, so we have 3 flaps of paper, then we are folding it and carefully fold and mark the eyes and the design in the body of the butterfly. You can use sketch pen. Now we are also marking some spots on the body.